It's the classic Hollywood movie line in every operating scene. The surgeon calls for a scalpel, and someone passes it. But who is that someone? It's the surgical technologist, and in a real surgical setting, this person plays a vital role in its well-run operation, assisting surgeons, working with registered nurses, anesthesiologists, and other hospital staff. In the surgical technology program at San Jacinto College, you'll learn every aspect of this highly valued position. How to prepare equipment, surgical supplies, and medications. How to monitor counts, apply dressing, and prepare specimens for lab analysis. And yes, how to pass instruments to surgeons and assistants. Our curriculum combines classroom theory with hands-on operating room experience. Upon graduation, you'll be eligible to take the national certification exam required by all employers in Texas. Then it's on to a rewarding career. The median salary for a surgical technologist is more than $46,000 per year. For more information, call or visit our website.